Welcome to my teardown videos, and this is a teardown of a wireless keyboard. Wireless keyboards are generally very common and very great nowadays, and the people prefer to use them as they are quite portable, and you don't need to carry them like around, and you just can keep it. If I want it here, if I want to move it over here, I can just move it easily without changing the cords. And so now let's jump in the video to tear this down and see what's inside. So first, there are many screws over here. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 screws over here. So first we have to open them up, and so I'm over here removing the last screw, and it's removed. So now let us try opening directly if it gets opened, and it's easy. So this is a bit stiff, so I will use my tweezer sort of thing. And so after pulling up the keyboard, as you can see, I pulled it up. First, I think we have to turn it upside down so that the keys won't come out. This is the base, and actually you can see there is nothing over here. And then this is a sheet of plastic with circuits embedded. This is a bit of, you can say, like this are rubber suction pads, where this, if you press a key, this is going to pull up and have the contacts on this circuits which are embedded into the plastic. And actually it's a very after seeing it overall, you can see that it's a very less circuit. Just you can see over here that it's a small circuit or chip, whatever you say, that's controlling the whole thing. So I'm also going to open this up and see what can I find inside it. So this is open, and this, oh wow, you can see this operates on 3 volts, and surprisingly just gets to 2, I think so. There are 20 pins into this IC, and it's going to process it and transmit it in the frequency of 16 megahertz into the receiver. And that was about this teardown. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.